I want to show you guys how XRP has continuing to be a leading indicator of where the market's going to be heading. And as I warned at the very beginning, I'm going to say here once again, I do believe that this is a bull trap rally. Everyone needs to be careful. If you're listening to me on TikTok, if you're listening here on YouTube, if you're listening to our podcast on Spotify or Apple, I appreciate you guys. And you need to understand what just happened. Manipulation. A bunch of Binance USD stablecoin was minted. A bunch of USDC was minted. They pumped the hell out of this thing. It was manipulation. Here we are once again in a bull trap rally. This is common during a bear market. Be ready for this thing to come back down. XRP technical analysis. Let's take a look at this from Lord Vendetta. Here is 4 pictures of the XRP chart, but different time frames. Same structure with the same outcome. You can see the first rejection is always at the 0.78 Fibonacci level, followed by a lot of rejections on the golden zone fib levels. Okay, so, I'm not even going to show these charts. I just want to make this point here. In every chart, we have a descending triangle composed by 3 structures. Right now, XRP is developing the same structure, and I think it will have the same outcome. I think XRP is an indicator that something will hit the crypto market. Once again, we've continually said, right? XRP will move first, rest of the market will follow. This thing moves violently when it does too. So you see here, he's been showing you guys this technical analysis. We see the same pattern playing out right now. And he says, big dump incoming. Moon boys will get wrecked. And you guys got to be safe right now. Be careful who you're listening to, because a lot of people claiming that the bottom is in. Jim Cramer, as we started out this whole episode, right? Jim Cramer saying that this is a bull market, buy the dip, this thing's about to move. You know what happens next. Same story from the Bitcoin maxis. It's interesting how the message from the Jim Cramer shills of the Wall Street guys and the Bitcoin maxis, it's so interesting. What a coincidence that their pitch is the same thing. Their story is the same thing. Bottom is in, buy the dip. We're going to head on up from here. Stay safe out here, guys. The manipulation is clear as day. I would love for the bottom to be in. I would love for the bull market to be here. I would love to go to the moon. That would be fun. Let's stay real. And we've been calling it, and you guys saw last year, we've been spot on. Over the last year, we've been spot on with our calls on the way that this market's moving. I don't trade on a daily basis. I don't do day trading. But when I did some swing trading last year over the period of 4 months, you guys saw the results. I grew my trading bag 100%. Then FTX happened. I pulled out my bags. I'm no longer gambling. I no longer go to the casino in regards to the cryptocurrency space. I'm only picking up my fundamental positions. And I'll tell you what, I am itching. I'm being tempted by the devil to pull back up to the casino once again. And I ask God to keep me strong, and I stay away, and I'm staying away. But golly, we've been spot on with the way that this market's moving. Okay, we've just been spot on, and I want to trade right now. I'm itching, but we understand the liquidity crisis that we're in has me uncomfortable. If I'm serious about the reality of this situation, I don't trust any of these exchanges, and even gambling with a small percentage of my portfolio, it's not going to create generational wealth, so why spend time in the charts playing with the numbers? Come on, guys. We got to focus on what got us here. That's building fundamental businesses and picking up fundamental assets, fundamental positions, so that we can sleep soundly at night, so that we can live stress-free through a bear market recession. When I trade, I lose sleep. So, you're in the trades, you got the alarms going off. It's just, I'll be chilling right now till the liquidity crisis ends. But I wanted to make that clear. I wanted to give you guys that caveat, that technical analysis of matching up with what I see right now. I'm out of the market. I'm not trading. I have cash on the sidelines ready to buy the dip. But, Jim Cramer says that a bull market started. I don't think that's the case. I think we're going to dip, and we're going to dip again. And I don't think that the bottom is in. Unfortunately, I wish we could do rocket emojis and be bullish. We're not quite there yet. I am your host, Zach Rector. I really appreciate all of the love and support. If you want to support the channel, just remember that you can start by smashing that thumbs up for me, sharing this content far and wide, and everything else is at my website.